Creating your own minor pentatonic runs on guitar is actually stupidly easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you the framework that I use to create runs like this. And this. So for this example and for this video, our foundation and what we're going to be going from is position number 1, minor pentatonic in the key of E. So the first thing we need to do is take a look at the first note and then take note of the last note. The first note and where we've then finished. And have in mind that we can do anything we want in between. So we're using shape 1 minor pentatonic as our framework, and we're going to build a run off of that framework. This works with absolutely any position, any shape, even if you're not using minor pentatonic and you want to use a completely different scale. Because what I'm teaching you here is a concept, it's a methodology, it's a way of thinking that you can apply to your playing. So the first example I'm going to show you here is Eric Johnson's Cascading Fives. It's the most perfect demonstration for what I'm trying to explain. Essentially, the cascading fives are basically where you run all the way down, position 1, minor pentatonic, you go down 5 notes, back 3, down 5, back 3, down 5, back 3. And it gives you a really awesome sound. Notice how it sounds completely different to just a descending run down position number 1. Now, even though that is an awesome run, it is still very, very boxy. It's still stuck in that box 1 position. So what I'm going to try and do now is show you guys that you can break out of box number 1 and still kind of go back into box number 1. So with this example, I'm starting by breaking out of box number 1 very gently, just by going at the very beginning. Sliding into box 2, back into box number 1. I play my flat 5. Again, that is a tiny way of breaking out of the box position because I'm playing that flat 5, which is not part of the pentatonic scale, and I'm working my way down. I have a repeating section in the middle, which is kind of like that Eric Johnson style run, and then I work my way all the way down the rest of the pattern. So for this last example, I want to expand even more on this concept of breaking out of box number 1. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm still going to have that same starting note as the first note that I play, but I'm going to work my way down to this E instead of the 12th fret. I have to make the connection make sense. So what I do is I use this little hook as I'm working my way down position number 1, 5, 4, and finally in 3. The hook is that flat 5 that I slide to and then keep working my way down. I get to the next area where there's a flat 5 and I do the same pattern that I did before. This kind of creates a hook in the run and makes the run more interesting.